Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to get rid of the OnStar module completely is we're going to remove this bezel around the radio. It is on a whole bunch of clips. I've already popped it loose. You can see how many there are. Be very careful, use a plastic pry bar, and be very gentle not to break it. There's going to be two wires, one here and one here if you have heated seats. So just go ahead and squeeze the tabs and pop them out. You're then going to have 4 of these little screws, 7mm socket, there, and there, and there, and there. And then you'll be able to pop the radio out. It's also on tabs like that. We're going to have to pull this box out right here. So that'll mean unplugging both of these white connectors and then both of these antenna connectors. These antenna connectors can be pretty good. You may need a pair of needle nose to get them out. All right, got the box out of the truck. There's some torque screws in the back. We're gonna go ahead and remove those and open this thing up. With those screws out, you can just pop the cover right off. You're gonna see the insides here. This top circuit board, we're gonna go ahead and remove. It's just gonna pop straight up. Set it there. And this right here is our OnStar module. So we're gonna take those 2 Torx screws out and that one right there. And then we're gonna take that thing out of there and we're gonna leave it out of there. All right, I put the 3 screws back in just so you don't get lost, just in case a guy ever wants to reinstall it. Put that circuit board back in place. Make sure it's sitting down nice. That cover goes back on. And then these 4 screws go back in. Left blank now because the chip is out. We'll take this guy, install it back in the truck, put it all back together. Now, of course, installation is the opposite of removal. These 2 antennas, you can just leave them unplugged. At this time, you can probably turn the key on and just check it out, make sure everything still works, make sure you didn't screw anything up. Okay, so we'll just go in here with the home button. You can try OnStar. Directions.
You can say new destination or recent destinations.
New destination.
This service is unavailable. Returning to the main menu.
We can also confirm that OnStar is disabled by hitting the blue button.
Connecting to OnStar. I'm sorry, I couldn't connect to OnStar. Please try again. Your OnStar call has ended. Goodbye.
All right, so I'm going to put the 4 screws back in the radio, throw the trim bezel back on, and that's it. We're done. It's fully disabled. The chip is completely removed. And yeah, it takes a guy like 5 minutes to do. Super easy. So I hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.